Hey guys, what's up? It's Keith Rainville here, the Fat Yankee, my friend. So listen, we are going to make some more beef jerky today. We've got a fantastic recipe for you, Chipotle Lime beef jerky, right? So everybody likes a little bit of a Chipotle Lime steak, especially in like a nice fajita. You put a little bit of lime on that fajita steak you got. Chipotle Lime beef jerky, guys. Nice flavors here. Simple recipe for you to do at home with your family. And it comes out fantastic. It's very, very mild beef jerky, okay? So listen, you know what we do. We got our beef, our Black Angus beef here. We start with 2 pounds of Black Angus beef. And this is a fantastic recipe. I highly recommend this recipe. It's very mild. And again, it's just a nice eating beef jerky, okay? So this is our ingredients. You know, my friends, I always start off with our Kikkoman soy sauce. Love Kikkoman products. We're going to use some mojo seasoning here, okay? So this is fantastic stuff. If you haven't put this on chicken too, it's unbelievable. But it's got a nice lime citrus flavor, a very tropical flavor, okay? And I use this often at home. We're going to use some chipotle pepper here, guys. And we're going to use some black pepper, some granulated garlic, and we're going to use some Worcestershire sauce and some fresh lime zest, okay, for this recipe. So get your little grater out. We're not going to use much, but we want to give it a nice lime flavor, okay? 2 pounds of Black Angus beef. Let's get started with this beautiful recipe, guys, and make this nice beef jerky here, okay? So here we go. We're going to start off with our soy sauce, okay? Our Kikkoman soy sauce. We're going to use 1/2 cup of this Kikkoman soy sauce, okay? So again, this is our cure. This is what we use for our cure. This is going to give us a little bit of shelf life, okay? 920 milligrams of sodium in soy sauce per teaspoon, okay? So there's about 8 teaspoons per 1/2 cup, 16 teaspoons per cup of soy sauce. So you do the math on that. So this is going to give us about a 2 to 3 month shelf life, okay? So here we go. We got to put our mojo seasoning in. This is going to give us that nice lime citrus flavor. This mojo, make sure you give this a good shake, guys. And this we're going to put in 1/4 cup of this mojo seasoning. Now, if you like a little bit more lime, put a little bit more lime. I do, so I'm going to put a little bit more, okay? But 1/4 is what the recipe calls for, and it's absolutely delicious. We're going to use some more lime. We're going to use some zest too, so sit tight, okay? Here we go. Now we're going to get our chipotle, our little spicy flavor. So we're going to use some chipotle powder here. And this here, chipotle powder, we're going to use 2 tablespoons of this chipotle powder, okay? Here we go. Now, not heaping tablespoons, guys. 2 tablespoons of chipotle powder. Nice level tablespoons, okay? All right, you don't want to go too crazy because it's very spicy, that chipotle powder. Sure is. All right, so now we're going to use 1 teaspoon of black pepper for flavor. I love black pepper on my steaks. Again, 1 teaspoon, not a heaping tablespoon, just a teaspoon, just a level teaspoon of black pepper, okay? All right, here we go. Our granulated garlic. We love granulated garlic on our steaks. 1 teaspoon of that. You can never have too much garlic on your steak. As a matter of fact, oh, gazinga. There we go. A little bit more. A little extra. A little extra for the team, right? You got it, baby. Okay. Worcestershire. Just for a little bit of background flavor in this Chipotle Lime beef jerky, okay? So we're going to use a small amount, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. It also has a nice strong salt content. So it's going to cure, again, for 48 hours, give us a nice shelf life. Here we go, and give us a nice little background flavor. A lot of people, they always use too much Worcestershire. Worcestershire sauce can overpower your beef jerky. So you never want to go too crazy with the Worcestershire sauce. It's real important, okay? Listen, we got one more child that needs to go in the pool. One more kid that needs to go in the pool, so we got to get him swimming, right? The lime zest, beautiful lime zest. Get yourself a nice grater like this. I use orange, I use lime, I use all kinds of stuff. We're gonna make some nice lime zest. In this, we're gonna use 1 teaspoon of lime zest, okay? You can even, listen, you can even cut this thing up and throw a little bit more lime juice in there if you want. Nice fresh, squeeze it right in there, like that, okay? So I got my lime, 1 teaspoon of lime zest. You see it here like that? I'm gonna spread that around. Oh, that's beautiful. Zest of an orange, zest of a lime or a lemon gives you amazing, amazing strong flavor, okay? Guys, look at this. I love to see these colors when I do my beef jerky. Look how beautiful that is. Everything is in there. All the ingredients are in there. We're going to marinate this again 48 hours. That's it. There's no question about it. 48 hours. We got to let this cure. We got to let the salt content get right in, get all the flavor, the strongest flavors. Listen, there's a reason why the Fat Yankee sold 400, 500 pounds a week of beef jerky. It's because our jerky was full of flavor. It's so important, my friends. You've got to let this stuff sit for 48 hours. Your jerky is going to have a nice long shelf life. Your jerky is going to be full of flavor. Oh my God, I wish you could. I wish this was smell-o-vision over here, because this absolutely smells fantastic. Chipotle Lime Beef Jerky. I'm going to show you this now. Let me wash my hands. This is beautiful. 48 hours we're going to marinate this. We're going to come back after 24. And we're going to hand toss this after 24 hours. Alright? This is what it looks like. I wish you could smell this, guys. This is absolutely fantastic stuff. You know what to do, right? Like the video, subscribe to the channel, guys, share it with your friends. This is the Fat Yankee here, my friends. Look for my shelf life video coming out soon, and we'll see you in the next recipe. Thanks, guys.